Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn string programs in QBASIC. So in earlier video, we have already learned the functions present in string manipulation. We have seen the examples of those functions. And today in this video, we are going to execute those functions in different programs. So let's get started. The first function that we are going to execute is $. So let us write a program. So basically I'm writing a program to input a word, okay, and I'm going to extract the characters and printing it, and then I'm going to check the vowels, okay. So enter a word, and then I'm taking $, as a string variable. So now I'm going to have for I equal to 1, 2. Okay. Along with, we have learned another function called len. Okay. So if I write len and then $, so I can have the loop. So we have already learned that len gives us the length of the string. So the loop will execute till the length, that many number of characters are there. So now I'm going to extract one character from the given word. So if I write $, equal to, the function is $, then the source, my source is $, and then comma I, comma one character at a time. So why I? Because I should be the position. Okay, so for the first position I want the characters. So if I write this and print $, like this, and without any semicolon, so it will print line wise. Now if I write next I and then end, so what will happen, whatever word I'm going to input, it will print all the characters line wise, because it will extract the characters in $, and I'm printing $, here. My source is $, and the position is I, number of characters is 1. So let us run and see this. So if I run this thing, we have to wait for a while to get the output, and then we could see the output as all the characters will print line wise. Okay, so enter a word. I'll write Saurav. Now see, SOURAV, all the characters are printing line wise. Okay, so this is the first function that we have learned. Another function we have learned is len, that we have seen. Okay, let us see how can we check this function for different types of tasks. Here I'll show you two different programs. First I'll show you enter a word and count the number of vowels, how many vowels are there in this word. So let us see, till $, the code will be same. Okay, after that we have to check for vowel. How can I check it? So if, see, $, equal to invert comma a or, okay, I have to check for with all the vowels. So $, equal to a, e, like this, or with all the vowels I'm going to check. I, O, and U. Okay, so I'm going to check with all the vowels like A, E, I, O, and the last one is U. And let us see it can count the vowels or not. So I'll use a counter after that. So it should be C equal to C plus 1. So here I have used a counter, and then I would write endif to ndf. So here after next I need to write another statement, which is print C. Okay, so if I check this, and it will print C. Let us see the output. Okay, so here it is given enter a word. So if I enter Saurav, so it will print 3. So there are 3 vowels in this word. So another program, if I modify this program a little, another program, it would become like enter a word and check it's a palindrome word or not. Okay, so a palindrome word and a palindrome number both are same. Like if I reverse the word and check with the original word, both the words should be same. Okay, so if we modify this program a little, I need to remove this thing, and obviously I need to get the characters here, and after getting the character I'm going to reverse the string. So how can we reverse the string? First of all, you need to understand that we cannot make any kind of arithmetical operation with the string. Okay, like I cannot write $a mod 10 so that I can get the last character. Like in number we used to do a n mod 10, I can get the last character, last digit, sorry. So here if I need to write $s, I need to create a new word. Okay, so I'm going to write $s equal to $a plus $s. So why am I writing this? Because here I need to concatenate the characters. Now what is the meaning of concatenation? If I add 2 characters, they will join. Like if I add A and if I along with A, if I add B, so this will not give me C, this will be AB, so they will join together. So this procedure is known as concatenation. Okay, so if I write $s equal to $a plus $s, it will concatenate in reverse order. So if I write, instead of writing C, if I write $s here, so this will give me the word in reverse order. Okay, so if I write here like this, so see, this sort of word is being reversed. Now the same logic can be used for checking a word in palindrome or not. So I just simply write a condition here, like if the word which I have created just now, which is in $s, okay, is equal to the original word is $n, so here it is $n. So if the condition is correct, then I'll print yes, means it's a palindrome string, else no. So I would write else print no. Okay, so this is done, and if, and let us check. So there are some palindrome words like mom, dad, madam, Malayalam. So these all words are palindrome words. So if I write mom, so it will print yes. The same way, if I write a non-palindrome word, suppose like DADS, see, it's printing no. So this is how we can check a word is palindromic or not. You know what? This program can be done a different method also. The same question, if I make it in a different way, like I have taken the first character first, that is why I'm concatenating it in this statement. I'm concatenating in reverse order. So, but if I reverse the loop, like suppose if I take the last character first, now the question is how to take the last character first. So if I start the loop with len and I go till the last, the first position. So if I write len the same way, $n, okay, and here till 1 is the first position, so I'm going in reverse order. So till 1, I need a step keyword here, step -1, to go in reverse order. So in that case, I need to concatenate in a straight order. Like suppose it should be $s plus $a. In that case, I'll concatenate in straight order. So you have 2 choices. Either you reverse the loop and concatenate in straight order, or you make the straight loop and reverse in concatenate in reverse order. So it is totally up to you what you want to do. Okay, so if I execute this and run the program, so with the same word this time I'm going to use dad and say it is printing yes. And if I run it again and check a non-palindrome word, suppose if I write Saurav only, so it is printing no. Okay, so this is how we can check it's a palindrome string or not. Okay, now next kind of program. Now this time I'm going to check how many characters are capital letter and how many characters are small letter. Okay, so again I'm going to have a word here $, and this time I'm going to get the frequency of capital letter and small letter. Okay, so I equal to 1 2 len, same loop $, this time I'm using a straight loop, and then $, in $, I'm extracting the characters. Okay, so inside this I'll take out the character in $. So I need to I need to count the uppercase letters and lowercase letter. How to do that? I need to get the ASCII value of the characters. As we have already learned ASCII value, how to get the ASCII value. The ASCII value is we have a function ASC which will give me the ASCII value of any character. So I'm taking a numeric variable p equal to ASC, and I need to write the variable which is $, which has the character. Now I'm going to get the ASCII value of $, in p. Now I can check easily it's a capital letter or small letter. It's simple step. I already told you the range of ASCII values in capital 65 to 90. So it's p is greater than equal to 65 and p is less than equal to 90. This is the range for capital letter. So if the range is coming like this, then capital I'm going to calculate c equal to c plus 1. Okay, now this is going to count for capital letter, and else again else if I'm gonna check p is greater than equal to 97 and p is less than equal to 122. This for small letter. So then small letter I'll write s equal to s plus 1. This is done. And if, and that's it. Next slide. So this way I can simply print the number of capital letters. So print number of capital letter and then C. The same statement if I write after this for small letter, then number of small letter. Okay, so it's lowercase letters t. Okay, sorry, s. Now end if is not required here. That's it. Now let us run this. So I need to enter a word in mixed characters. So if I write A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Now number of capital letters 3. Okay, yes, it is correct. And number of small letters 2. That's also correct. So this is how we can check the number of capital letter and number of small letter. Okay. So these are the few programs that we have done. Now for some more programs I'm going to make in my next video. So stay tuned, like and subscribe.